service number 790. Can you start me at 1019 for
Officer stops him for jaywalking, tells him he's detained.
AP vehicle? We're going to be at the right side of the parking lot.
Come over.
What's up, sir?
I'll go over to the front of my car.
I'm not doing all that, man. What's going on? Am I under arrest?
You're detained right now. Walk over there.
What?
We're crossing the street without a crosswalk. Go walk over there.
Apologize, sir. Look, man,
I ain't looking for an apology. Come over here right now before I put you in handcuffs.
Sir, please.
Look at the suspect's reaction. He's apologizing, but he's not coming closer to the car. He's keeping distance while saying sorry. This is unusual. Most people either comply or argue. But this guy, he's doing neither. He's buying time.
I ain't listening to shit. Come over here.
Sir, I apologize, all right?
Come over here right now.
I had to get to the hospital.
Get over here.
Then watch this. He drops his backpack, just lets it fall to the ground. No stumble, no accident, intentional. Why would someone do this during a detention? Either he's getting rid of evidence, or he's about to run and doesn't want to wait. The officer sees this and knows something's wrong.
Right now.
Look at my arm, man. I swear to you.
Stop.
I'm sorry.
Dude, I ain't looking for an apology.
I'm sorry. I fucking do know, but I'm sorry, man.
When the moment came, he started running.
Sorry.
Lopez is running.
While running, he's throwing off items. Second backpack, gone. Jacket, gone. He's either lightening himself to run faster or getting rid of anything that makes him easier to identify. Maybe both.
Southbound on Jones. Into a parking garage. Stop! Motherfucker, get your out of your fucking...
This is footage from another officer. He was nearby handling a completely unrelated incident when he hears the radio traffic. Officer has a runner, needs backup at the parking garage.
All right. What's your name?
Tyler.
Keep your hands on the thing. Don't move it from there.
Lopez is running.
All right, I'm on my way.
He's close, so he drives over.
Oh, it's all there. He's running first 33.
When he pulls up, he sees the suspect running through the parking structure.
Get the fuck on the ground!
Officer gets out of his vehicle to catch him. But watch. Suspect jumps over this fence, and on the other side just walks away, casual, like nothing happened.
Running back towards Walmart. He has a purple sweater, khaki pants on.
Officer gets back in his patrol vehicle. He's not done. He starts driving through the area, searching. While driving through the 800 block of East Rector, he spots him, hiding in tall grass at the top of a ditch. Officer exits his vehicle, runs toward the ditch. He pulls his taser, commands the suspect to get on the ground.
He's coming towards you. Get out of here, calling, Don't die, he's in the ditch. He's on Rector, going towards the ditch.
I'm gonna fuck you up. You're gonna get tased, bro. I'm gonna fucking tase you. Get the fuck on the ground.
Suspect's not complying.
Get up there.
Then the officer sees it. The suspect's holding a gun. Officer immediately switches from taser to his firearm. The suspect starts running through the drainage ditch. Officer fires several rounds as he moves toward the railing.
Get up there, get up there. He has a fucking gun!
Shots fired, Rector, and Jones Record code 3, clear open morning. 350, officers okay?
As the officer approaches the railing, the suspect raises the gun toward him. Officer fires again, strikes him in the chest. After taking a round to the chest, the suspect raises the gun one more time, but not at the officer. He shoots himself in the head.
Hold the fucking gun.
This is the gun he was carrying, a concealed semi-automatic handgun. The suspect was identified as 33-year-old Jeffrey Shop. According to Bexar County records, Shop had a criminal history dating back to 2013. His record included assault, drug possession, theft, and forgery. He was carrying a concealed firearm. Because he was facing immediate detention and a search, he knew they'd find the weapon. As a convicted felon, that meant serious prison time. That's why he dropped the backpack. That's why he ran. And that's why, when cornered with nowhere left to go, he made his final choice. A routine jaywalking stop that ended in tragedy because of what he was hiding.
Yeah, it's a stolen vehicle. Yeah, it's that one. I'm gonna call it up and have him take me off your call and put me on another one.
Just after 7 p.m., officers get called to La Cantera Terrace for a narcotics complaint. When they arrive, their license plate reader goes off. There's a stolen vehicle parked right there.
All right.
Press recalculate for a new route.
241. Take me off 250 West Wall and put me on the site for a stolen vehicle. You can put 250 on when he clears.
One officer parks behind it to block it in while they handle the drug call. The car's empty, so they start walking toward the original scene. Then they see someone get into the stolen vehicle. They redirect, start running toward the car, yelling at him to stop. Instead of trying to escape, he drives over the curb onto the grass, heading directly toward the officers. There's also a woman nearby walking her dog. She's in his path.
251 shots fired. 251 shots fired. Give me a supervisor out here.
Both officers open fire, multiple rounds at the vehicle. The car crashes into a light pole. Officers break the windows to get in. Paramedics rush the suspect to the hospital. He dies there. The suspect was 21-year-old Angel Cuevas. The woman with the dog wasn't hurt. Neither were the officers. Two officers spot an SUV with a busted taillight on South Cross Boulevard. They pull it over. One officer goes to the driver's side, the other to the passenger side.
Hey, can you roll down all your windows for me? Can you roll down all your windows for me? What you got? The reason why I pulled you over is your right tail lamp's out. Do you have your driver's license on?
What's that lights out?
Your right tail lamp. Do you have your driver's license on? Yeah. Where are you coming from?
A friend's house.
A friend's house. Are there any weapons in the car?
Sir?
Are there any weapons in the car? You might turn off the car real quick, man?
Officer smells weed coming from inside the car. Driver says he doesn't smoke. Says it's his girlfriend's car. Her kids use vape pens, not actual weed.
Hey, when was that time that smoked marijuana in the vehicle?
I don't smoke.
Okay, so why am I smelling?
This is my girl's car.
Okay, why am I smelling marijuana in the vehicle?
I had to smoke it. I swear to God.
Is your girl smoking marijuana in the vehicle?
Her kids hit the dispo, but they don't smoke marijuana. They hit dispos.
The cartridges and all that?
There's nothing.
Okay.
No marijuana, no drugs.
Okay, I'm smelling the odor of marijuana, and then I see that you have cigars there, which is not illegal to have them.
Yeah.
But because I'm smelling the odor of marijuana, it leads me to believe that there might be marijuana or somebody might have had it.
Officer sees cigars in the car too. Between that and the smell, he thinks there might be marijuana inside.
Okay. So no weapons at all, man?
No, sir.
Driver says no weapons at all.
Hold on, sir.
Alright, man, just do me a favor, step out, please.
Driver gets out. Officer puts his hands on him to detain him. Driver asks if he's being detained. Officer says yes.
No, sir. There's nothing in the car. Huh?
Please, please.
I'm being detained?
You're just being detained.
Why am I being detained? Hold on, sir. Hey, look, I'm not being detained. Dude,
Stop.
I'm not doing anything.
Stop.
Why
Driver immediately starts pulling away.
y'all doing this to me, dude?
I can see that in your freaking pocket.
What? I don't got nothing in my pocket.
Don't fucking reach.
I don't got nothing in my. I'm not reaching.
fucking reach.
I'm not reaching. I'm not fucking reaching, dude. I'm not reaching. Stop, dude. Stop. Damn, dude. Stop, dude. Stop. Please get off me. Get off me. I'm not resisting.
Put
Get
your hands
off
on
me.
your back.
Get off me,
Put your
dude.
Officer tells him to stop. Driver keeps fighting back. They start wrestling. Officer's yelling at him to put his hands behind his back. Driver won't do it. During the struggle, the driver's yelling at the officer to get off. Officer tells him to let go of his scissors.
On your back.
No, dude. Ah!
Put your hands
Okay.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay.
Let go of my fucking scissors.
Dude, why you got scissors out on me, dude?
Let go.
Dude,
Relax.
relax. I'm relaxed.
Put your other hand behind your back.
Relaxed.
You're gonna break your shoulder. You're gonna break your shoulder. Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back now.
I'm relaxed, dude.
Put your hand behind
I'm
your back
relaxed.
right now.
I am relaxed, dude.
Stop fucking reaching.
Dude, I'm relaxed. I'm relaxed, dude. Stop, dude.
Then the officer sees a firearm on him. He lied about the weapon.
You gotta go. You gotta go.
Yep, I got done. Stop. Ah!
Both officers pull their weapons. One fires once, hits him. They pull him out of the car. There's the loaded firearm they found. Also, narcotics in the vehicle.
Shots fired. Where's the gun at? It's right here. I got the gun. We'll fucking shoot you again. Get your fucking hands up. I got the gun. I got it. Get him in. 17. Shots fired.
Driver was Javon Harper. Paramedics took him to the hospital. He didn't make it. This is the firearm from the scene.